In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view. When you're ready, open this app in the background. To do that with trickiest navigation, use this square button. Now click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, now I can use it in this little window. To move it around, hold the line at the top and drag it. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, scale it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click on this square at the top left corner. You can also hold the lower line and drag it all the way down. Then let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on this little icon of a line, also at the top left corner. You can move the bubble if you want to. To open your window, just click on it. If you want to close your window, you can hold your bubble and drag it to remove section at the bottom, or click on this X, this one at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!